Hi, this is the CUBOT Quest device and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard. So first we should open the Play Store app and on the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap the Open button and click to enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher and tap the OK. Then just go back, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check our new keyboard look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.